In this video, I will demonstrate a crucial aspect of managing your digital asset, adding networks and crypto asset to your crypto wallet. You may lose your crypto, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't do it correctly. But don't worry, I got you covered. Hello all, welcome to Forever Crypto. Big fan of crypto. In this channel, we talk about cryptos and cryptos only. If you find a value in this video, give it a thumbs up, really makes a huge difference. Okay guys, while I walk you through the step-by-step process of adding a network in your popular crypto wallet platform like MetaMask, Phantom and Solflare, I would like to say that the process is very similar to all the wallets available, and I'll be sharing you the tips on managing your wallets also later on. So whenever you search for a crypto asset, you go to the authentic and valid place guys. So the most authentic place is the coinmarketcap.com. So whenever you go, let's just say for example, you are going to add alt layer token into your MetaMask wallet. So you go to the alt layer one. So here you can see the contract. So this is the legit contract that is provided. You can check in their official websites also and official Twitter. You can join their Discord also. So you just copy over the contract and you go to your MetaMask wallet, and here you can see the import token, and you click here, and if you can search for the token also. They just search for the alt layer, and here you can find it. So you can paste the token address that you have copied from, and here you can see that, and you can just click the name and you can import. So here you can get your alt, and if you want to send it or receive it, the token into your MetaMask wallet. So the next step is I'll tell you how to add the network guys. So if you go over here, you can see network over here. As you can see, you can add the Arbitrum network over here by clicking here if you want to add. So here you will find the different kind of a network that is suitable for the MetaMask. And if you didn't find the network, let's just say I'll tell you an example of the Dime network. So you cannot add the Dime network by using the address over here, the contract address over here. So you have to add the network manually. So for that, here you require, the main thing is the chain ID and the RPC URL. So if to find the this thing, there is a website called chainlist.org. You can go over there and search whichever network you are looking for. So here if you collect your wallet, and you can do it with a click, and here you will find the chain ID. The chain ID is 1100, and you will find the RPC address also over here, and you can go to the valid website also like CoinMarketCap, get the RPC. So here we have the chain ID over here and the RPC network over here. You can check whether it is from the official website or not. So then you can copy the RPC value and the chain ID 1100. So you can then copy the network URL and paste it to over here, and it will suggest the ticker symbol also. If you click that over, save it guys. Here you can see the Dime has been added, the network, and you can receive a Dime from over here. So by this way you can add network and a token, import the token in MetaMask, and it is similar to other wallet. Let's just say for example, we are here in the Solana wallet in the Solflare, and you can go and add new asset by search. Let's just take an example of a Solana project. So you can go over here in CoinMarketCap as like before, and you can copy the address contract over here, and you can either search the token or you can paste the contract address. So in the Solana address, you have the receiving address. You can directly receive in this main wallet address. And yeah, this is the one. The main important thing is the authentication and validation of the contract address. So check it, double check it. If you are new, check another video about the crypto wallet. I have made that one for you guys also. So yeah guys, this is the how you go. So earlier, as I said in the video, I will talk about the top things to be aware while using the wallet. The first thing is that never share the seed phrase guys, and the second thing is create multiple wallet. Use one wallet for like airdrop and farming, and if you want to the other wallet for your long-term crypto portfolio. So while connecting the website, one wallet is specific wallet, and for the trading you use the other wallet. Do not click the random NFTs that you receive in your wallet guys. Like this, you will get random NFTs will be dropped in your wallet if you are using any wallet. So do not click that one, and always check the receiving address for beta phase project guide. The beta phase project that hasn't launched their mainnet yet. For example, like Caspa. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, adding networks and managing to assets in your crypto wallet. Doesn't have to be a problem now, I hope. And with the knowledge that you gain from this video, I really hope that you are confidence while in this wallet and cryptocurrencies. If you found this video helpful, ladies and gentlemen, be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable insights. I'm new to the YouTube world and will be really be appreciated if you support. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, big fan of crypto, forever crypto.